Good day, sir. I'm Lord Jimar N. Catalogo from the section of A2D. Today, we tackled about the distress signal of SOS. The distress signal SOS can be transmitted and receiving through Morse light in accordance with the call regs Annex 4 and the international code of signal ICS as follows by transmission method. Number 1. Morse code format. The SOS signal is represented by the Morse code sequences. Their dots, 3 dashes and 3 dots. Light signal. To transmit SOS through a Morse light, a flashlight or hand lamp is used. The light is flashed at interval to represent the dots and dashes. Dots. A short flashlight lasting about 1 second. Dash. A long flash lasting about 3 seconds. Number 3. Timing. The SOS signal should be represented at interval of about a minute to ensuring visibility. Reception method. Visual observation. The SOS signal is recognized by observing the pattern of light flashes from the vessels in distress. Morse code interpretation. A person familiar with the Morse code can be interpret the flashes as dots of the disease, recognizing the SOS sequences. Number 3. Call regs Annex 4. Annex 4 is specifies that the SOS signal, when transmitted by any signal method, is distress signal, including visual signal like Morse light. International code of signal ICS. The ICS does not the explicit methods SOS as a distress signal through Morse light. However, the ICS is a broader code used for general communication at sea, and SOS is universally recognized as the distress signal regardless of the transmission method. In summary, the SOS signal through Morse light is a distress signal recognized under the call regs Annex 4, and it is universally method signal can be transmitted and receiving by observation the pattern of light flashes. So my understanding about distress signal SOS is all about the signal of the ship to any problem about the ship, signal like flashlight, light about a ship, and those and distress signal communication, radio, or any. So I have a picture about things about the distress signal.